1400. Now we've done a motor, ready body, with new piston rings, and then I got a 2-liter polo head and management system. But now the management system I've got is Mr. Turbo management system. That's why it's called, it doesn't idle itself. You know, it's rev till it's not, and then it's fine. Yeah, and we've done the interior, all leather seats, waters, rims, and sprayed it yourself.
You sprayed yourself?
Yeah, my son, he sprayed.
What's the color called? Do you know?
No, you see. I just know it's very expensive. 1,000 rand a liter.
Yeah.
For this paint.
Serious?
Yeah.
Wow. How long ago did you paint it?
4 or 5 years ago.
And have you had some scary moments in it?
No, only once at the drag strip. I took it to the quarter mile.
Okay.
So I've done 14.2
Wow.
seconds on that. Another 60 kilometers an hour.
Which drag strip was it?
At Extreme.
Extreme Racer.
From Hospray. Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, but my heart gets sore. It's really in the rate that
Were you shaking afterwards?
shaking when I finish. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Oupa Johan,
Okay, so
for showing us your toys.
Okay.
They're beautiful.
Thank you for you.
And cheers.